Good day everyone, my name is Warda El Edsla and for today I will be discussing about the hand positions. So these hand positions are important because it is used in basic exercises and it helps us maintain our proper posture, balance, and coordination. The first position is the hands on waist. Place hands on waist, fingers pointing, front thumbs pointing backward. So here, we place our hands on our waist and our fingers are pointing forward and the thumbs are pointing backward. This position is often used to show readiness, confidence, and proper body alignment. The second position is the hands on chest. Palms facing down, thumbs touching the chest, and elbows in line with the shoulders. So, sa position na to is, kailangan yung palms natin is naka-face siya pababa and yung thumbs natin is medyo nakatouch siya sa chest natin and yung elbows natin is dapat in line with the shoulders. The third position is the hands on shoulders. Bend arms from the elbow, fingertips touching the shoulders, elbows in line with the shoulders, and rib cage lifted. So, sa position na to is ibebend natin yung arms natin and kailangan yung fingertips natin is nakatouch siya sa shoulders and inline pa rin yung elbows natin sa shoulders natin. And dapat yung rib cage natin is lifted. The fourth position is the hands on neck. Bend arms from elbows, place hands behind the neck, fingertips meeting each other, elbows in line with the shoulders. So, in this position, ibebend ulit natin yung arms natin, pero this time, ipe-place natin siya behind the neck. And dapat yung fingertips natin is nagtatouch sila with each other and yung elbows natin is in line with the shoulder. The last position is hands on hips. Place hands on hips, thumbs pointing back and fingers pointing front. So, in this position, ipi-place natin yung hands natin at the side of our hips and dapat yung fingers natin is pointing forwards and our thumbs is facing backwards. And that's all for my report. Thank you!